In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the League of Legends tutorial stuck problem, and also how to fix the patching button not working issue. So if League of Legends gets stuck or won't patch, then just follow exactly what I'm doing. Now the first thing you want to do is open League of Legends, and if the tutorial gets stuck or the patching button doesn't respond, what you want to do next is go down to your taskbar and right-click on it, and then click on Task Manager. Now once Task Manager opens, you want to look for all processes related to League of Legends. So this includes League Client UX, and anything that says Riot or League. Now when you find each one, just right-click on it and select End Task, and make sure you close every League of Legends related process. Now once all the processes are closed, what you want to do next is reopen League of Legends and check if the issue is fixed. Now if the problem is still not fixed, what you want to do next is open the Windows menu and search for CMD. And once Command Prompt shows up, just right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now once the command prompt opens, what you want to do is type this command, ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. Now after that, type this next command, netshintip reset, and press Enter. Now lastly, type netsh winsock reset, and press Enter. Now once all commands are done, just close the command prompt and restart your PC. Now after your computer restarts, open League of Legends again, and the tutorial stuck issue and patching button not working problem should be fixed. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.